In front of me is HUAWEI Y7a, and let me show you how to update apps on this phone. So first of all, you need to open App Gallery, here it is. Then tap on Manager if you are not here. So move to Manager then, and tap on More Apps to update. And here you can see all apps that can be updated. And all you need to do to update some app is to click on Update right next to its icon. And then here you can observe the progress. Meanwhile, you can use your device in a normal way. You don't have to detect it because it will be done automatically. Obviously, you can just turn it off and use your device in another way. And as you can see, it has been just updated. And that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.